Hello, raise your hands if you like to have a good buy. Like if you know you're very bougie, you don't like to price, this post is not for you. Please swipe up, go to the next post please. If you like to have a good buy, you like to bargain prices, you like to know if what you're buying is in order, you like to compare prices from one app to the other, raise your hands. You, yes, you. This post is for you, so sit down. Let me shift for you. Just calm down, come and sit. Today I'm going to tell you about how to get good discounts on AliExpress. First, I would like to show you some of the things I've gotten from AliExpress and how much I got them. I may just flash the prices on the screen to show you how much it is a good buy. For example, I have these glasses. This is what I wore today. It actually matches with my dress. I love the blue. I love the quality. Look at this. It really had some weight. I love the quality and it's blue. Let me wear it for you to see. You guys, look, just look at this for a very good price and at a discounted amount as well from AliExpress. In this video, I hope to tell you how you can gain points and gain coins, which will be used to determine how much you buy items at a good rate from AliExpress. Another item I have here is this one. I hope to show you. Let's take this one off. I have this one here. I got them on my way to the playground, and I also have another one. Look at this one, guys. Look at this. Looks really beautiful. I love it. Look at the quality. Look at it. One of the ways to buy good glasses, you have to check the shape of your face. You have a round face like me, so getting rectangular kind of glasses or glasses that have this kind of wings, they'll go so well. Note, I'm not a fashion content creator, I'm still a food content creator, but I'm here to always tell you how to get stuff good bargain, good budgets, good discounts. And I have another one here. This is like my favorite. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Very, very beautiful. So beautiful. Let me give it a try. For a very good price, I think this is really a good price. Look at the sides. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have other one. I was on the site and I got notification that since I have my coins that I've tapped over time, yeah, I could buy some things and get a good discount. I have this one. Actually, you know, one thing with online buying, sometimes what you see is not what you get. So in order to be sure of what you're buying from all these sites, you have to look at the review. I always look at the review. I do not like to be the first person that shops from any online store. I like to look at the review of the particular product. Now look at this watch for a real something. I'll flash it on the screen. Look at this watch. It's actually very slim. When I got it, I had to tell my daughter I think I'll share it with her or I'll just give it to her, but at the same time it's actually very beautiful. Let me put it on for you here. Look at it, guys. I think it's beautiful. It's beautiful for the price. For the price, it's just okay for the price. Then I got this. Look at you know, sometimes when you see these things, they are so shiny, but always read the review. I got this from the site and it came with this. They're just two. I think they were like 5 pairs or so. Yeah. And this, look at this. They have their various prices, but just at a discounted amount because I've been able to rake up points from the site. And also this one as well. I have to open it for you guys to see. I have to open it. Guys, let's see what we have here. Just back, like just tiny, slim and tiny, And also we have this one. I think they all came together as a set. Yeah, they came together as a set. For the amount I bought it, I think it's worth it. The thing is, this is not real gold, so expect it to behave anyhow, if you know what I mean. And it's actually very pretty, something to arm your hands at some point, but never touch water because it's gonna wash. Then I have this beautiful purse. I saw this and I'm like, wow, this would be lovely, lovely, lovely. Guys, look at this bag. It's actually a long one. Beautiful fit for baby girls or girls. It's mine actually, but I think I told my daughter I would give it to her at some point, but for now I may just rock it 1 or 2 times. For the amount I got it on AliExpress, I think it's a good buy. It's a very good buy. And I saw the review, so I also made my review as well. Yeah, this is a clear case of what you see is what you get, what I ordered versus what I got, and it's actually good. I love it. I love that it came out good. I got this sometime from AliExpress, but over time my kids were dragging, like, give me more swatch, let me go give it to her, give me more swatch, and now the handle snapped off and kind of broke. So I reordered the handle. This is my fitness watch, what I wear to track my steps, you know, when I'm exercising or going or doing any mild work. So yes, for the amount I got it, I think is fair. It's fair game. It's a fair price. So guys, let me show you how to get more coins that will help you get discount from AliExpress. So you open the AliExpress app and then look at this place, the coins. You tap on it and then you tap to collect the coins every day. Yeah, you've checked in and collected the coins. So when you buy stuff, you get some discount from the accumulated coins you've been tapping. Look at here, we have yeah, $62, and that is about 241 SR.
Let me just go back now. To earn more coins, there are several tasks that can be done.
Yeah,
and then you earn based on the task. This task is just for 1 coin for a daily check-in. This one is 6 coins to browse surprise items, like that.
Yeah.
Now just go back now.
Yes.
Okay. So now click on this.
Yeah. To earn more coins, so you have to perform some of the tasks here. You do your daily check-in. You browse for surprise items. You have super discounts. You can explore sponsored items, and you get coins for it. You search a keyword, you get coins for it. Collect my coins with me, guys. I opened up the app. I went straight to the coins section. I click on the coins to collect. I've collected it. You can see successfully checked in. You can see the worth of my coins on top of the screen is worth $101 US, which is equivalent of 391 Saudi Arabian riyals. These coins vary. Sometimes I collect 50 coins, 70 coins, depending on what they give me for the day. This is not a sponsored post in any way, but as I've bought all these goods from the site, I also earn more coins by giving a review, and that includes even posting pictures. Yes? Okay, go play. I'm coming. Go play. Enjoy yourself. Have fun. I also have to review the items, take a picture, and make some comments. Those other activities add to my own points. I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.